Hi, in this video we will learn how to change your terrain's shading mode. Polaris comes with many shading modes or material types that serve for different art styles. In the last video we've learned that you can select the shading mode when creating the terrain. To check for what you're using, select the terrain. Under the Material and Texture section, take a look at the shader's name here. Mine is 4 splats, which means it can use up to 4 splat textures without normal maps. To change the shading mode of a single terrain, in its inspector, click on the context menu of the Material and Texture section, then select Set Shader. This will bring up the wizard window. In the wizard window, select the new models and then click on the Set button. To change the shading mode of many terrains at once, you will need a terrain group tool, which can be created by right-clicking on the hierarchy, then selecting 3D Object, Polaris, Group Tool. In the inspector of the Group tool, click on the context menu of the Shading Override section, then select Set Shader. In the wizard window, select your target terrain group, or all of them. Then set the new models and click on the Set button. For more information about how those models work, please watch the previous tutorial or refer to the documentation. And that's it. See you in the next video.